Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Do you ever feel bloated, low on energy, or struggle with focus, no matter how healthy you eat? Here's the bold truth. Over 70% of your immune system lives inside your gut, and scientists now call the gut your second brain. If your microbiome is out of balance, it can affect your mood, digestion, sleep, and even your skin. But stay with me, because in the next few minutes I'll show you the proven foods and habits that can transform your gut health faster than most supplements. The gut isn't just for digestion, it communicates directly with your brain through the gut-brain axis. When your microbiome is balanced, it boosts immunity, sharpens focus, and stabilizes mood. But when it's disrupted, you might notice fatigue, sugar cravings, inflammation, and frequent colds. This is why gut health has become one of the biggest health trends worldwide. On TikTok alone, Gut Talk has billions of views. Fiber is the fuel your gut bacteria need to thrive. Low-fiber diets reduce microbial diversity, which weakens immunity. Simple fix. Aim for 25-35 grams of fiber daily. Best foods: beans, lentils, oats, chia seeds, leafy greens, apples, and berries. There's even a rising trend called Fibre-Maxxing, people boosting fiber intake to rebuild their microbiome naturally. Probiotics, the beneficial bacteria found in yogurt, kefir, kimchi, sauerkraut, and kombucha. Prebiotics, the special fibers that feed probiotics like garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, and green bananas. Together they create synergy. Prebiotics feed the probiotics, leading to stronger gut health. Studies show a diverse diet with probiotics and prebiotics can improve digestion, reduce bloating, and even enhance mood. If this is helpful so far, keep watching because coming up in just a moment I'll reveal the single food you can start eating today that supports gut health faster than most supplements. And if you're enjoying this, don't forget to tap like so more people can discover these tips. Gut health isn't only about food, it's also about lifestyle. Sleep. Poor sleep disrupts gut bacteria. Aim for 7-9 hours. Stress. High stress increases bad bacteria. Meditation, deep breathing, or daily walks help restore balance. Movement. Even light exercise, like 20 minutes of walking, increases microbial diversity. Avoid overuse of antibiotics and processed sugars, which destroy good bacteria. The fastest natural way to support gut health? Plain yogurt or kefir. Packed with live cultures, these probiotic-rich foods help restore balance quickly. If you're plant-based, try sauerkraut, kimchi, or miso. Fermented plant foods deliver similar benefits. So here's the big takeaway. Your gut controls far more than digestion. It affects immunity, energy, brain health, and even mood. By adding fiber, including probiotic and prebiotic foods, and living a balanced lifestyle, you can heal and strengthen your gut naturally. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, because more simple, science-backed health tips are coming your way.